What is going on? What's up, people? So, change of plans. I don't have to work today, and I just got an invite to an event, and look who came.
What was it?
So, yeah, we are gonna actually have a brother day, and we are going up to Rancho, Cordova, up in Sacramento. So the place called Superbikes, where I bought my 2014 Gixxter, is having an event today, and we're gonna go hit it up. So we are on our way. We are leaving from San Jose, and we'll see you guys over there. All right, so catch you guys later.
Like me, open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste it.
Now I can tell that we're getting to civilization, so we're getting there close. Hopefully, well, we should be there in 10 minutes, if anything. So, we'll see you when we get there. What's up, guys? We finally made it here to Rancho, Cordova, over at the SuperBikes showroom. So we're gonna go and check it out right now. So let's go see what's all this fuss about. It's a grand opening, as a matter of fact, but we already know that. So let's go check it out. Will my brother get a bike? Is he gonna get one? I don't know. Depends on what he's choosing. You got my keys?
Yeah. I was like, oh shoot, I think this is
Alright. Sounds like Mike's the green one.
Thank you guys.